Today I've got some camera repairs to do because a camera we had installed on somebody's soffit, the actual Ethernet connection was chopped right off there. Clear vandalism, but hopefully I'm able to repair it because it's not on warranty anymore from the manufacturer. So not the best solderer, but because there's so many electrical connections here, I'm definitely going to get some practice today. So I'm going to fire up this new bangled dangled thing that I got off Amazon, which is really cool because it's got a lot of different attachments to it. So nice crisp temp of 343 degrees Celsius, good soldering range from what I understand. I like that it's got this built-in guard too, so that you can kind of rest all on one platform. So I've got through my magnifying glass a much better view to be able to see whether or not I'm going to make a really strong connection. Magnifying glass is essential with these tiny little gauge wires. Alright, and now we're going to involve little solder claws here. Apply some flex. Got the soldering handy. Solder connection, the excess, good. Man, look at all those terrible connections. But it was a good learning experience. I feel like I'm a lot better with a soldering iron than when I started, and that's kind of what this is all about. So that's good, and now we can actually test this camera out and see if it's going to function properly. Alright, to test our camera we're going to be using a Dahua 6-port gigabit desktop switch, built-in PoE on 4 ports. That's going to allow us to know pretty well right away if this thing is going to work, thanks to its onboard PoE and link light diagnostic LEDs. So, pull this out of the box. There they are. So we'll have a link and PoE light ideally. If not, then we'll know that I will never have a career in soldering, but that's okay. Alright, so we've got our switch here, it's got power, meaning if I plug this in here, if I get those PoE and link lights, we know we're good. Data, 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 data. That's one. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Alright, well, that's only an indication that it's working. At least I know that there's continuity between the PoE and data cables. I guess which ones were for the Ethernet. It was kind of obvious, but now we'll see if I can log into this thing's web UI and actually make some configurations and, more importantly, see an image. Alright, so now that I've got this thing plugged into my switch, I'm going to open up my config tool, which is a proprietary tool just for finding these specific network devices. So it's not the same as like Wi-Fi Shark or anything else that searches for pretty much anything on your network. I'm just looking for Dahua devices, and we got it come up here. So 10.1.1.73, that's what she popped up as. Thankfully I'm connected via Wi-Fi, so because I'm plugged into the same LAN switch as the camera, I'm just going to go ahead and open up my network diagnostics. Go to network and internet, Ethernet, and we're going to edit my IP segment. Actually, no, we're not, because last time I was using my onboard NIC. I was actually on the same range already, so we're safe. So under this, we got 10.1.1.73. I click web. Alright, admin, and I'm just going to take a couple of guesses as to what the password was. Guess 1 is a no. Guess 2 is a no. Guess 3 is a no. Ah, perfect. It's my last shot anyway, so that's good. Of course, web plugins are the bane of my existence. I don't have an extension for IE on this. Most of the time these extensions downloads don't actually work, so download insecure file. Give me all them viruses. Yummy, 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 yummy. Actually, pretty sure I did have that. It is there. My shortcut's just gone. Oh, trial. I was using a trial. Pretty sure. Yeah, on my work profile it just shows up. Not gonna work here either. Please, 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 please work. Oh yeah, there we go. Just because I wasn't under my work profile, so we're good there. Log in for the third and hopefully final time, and if we can see an image, then that would make me very happy. Oh, awesome. Okay. Oh, and there's my image. Cool. Looks like I'm feeling a little warm. Cool. Yeah, there's quite the lag, but that's okay. Bottom line is, this camera is working and repaired. Success, everyone.
Success.
Well, there you have it. A $1,000 camera saved by the warranty gods. It's gonna live to work another day, preventing crime, catching criminals, doing all it's supposed to do.